Hello, in this video we will talk about how to import data from R. So let's select the get data from another source, and then you would see this option. Click on other, and then finally click on R script, and we would be writing a small R script here. These are the packages which we need, and I'm going to use this URL to get the earthquake data from the web and then convert this into a table and then finally a data set. We have a detailed video on how to do this process. This is earthquake data mapping, but in this example I'm just loading the data using this script. So you would see that the data set would become available in Power BI, and you can see that. If you want to transform this data or changing the data field types, etc., you can do that in this screen, and then once you're happy with it, you would simply load the data. So once you're happy with the data, you can click on the close and apply button, and this will finally load the data within the Power BI environment. So we have the DS dataset. So let's create a small map using the longitude and latitude information. And then you're able to finally consume or use this data in a meaningful way within Power BI. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.